Let the Uber Freight app work for you. Posting your truck to the Uber Freight app makes your truck available to shippers on the app and helps make sure that your truck is utilized. Post your truck at any time in the app by selecting the Active Loads tab. Find the day that your truck is available and add the location where your truck will be empty. Set your preferences and tap Post Truck. You'll get a notification each time you are matched with loads, and you have the option to book it or not. Return to the Active Loads tab and scroll to a day that you posted your truck. Select the Match Loads card to view the load details. Pick the one that matches your preferences and tap Book Load to start the booking process. You can review your posted truck under the Active Loads tab. Edit your preferences or delete the posting as needed. The Post My Truck feature is important to your Uber Freight carrier experience because it gives you control and options to set your own availability. Uber Freight's 24/7 support team is here to help you if you need it.